Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to go over, I'm going to start doing a lot of small videos on just little ways to make extra income. I think this is pretty cool. And I know you can see the screen and you can see that my battery is low. But either way, I think this is pretty cool. This is called Google Opinion Rewards. And I don't think a lot of people talk about it, but this is how I get free movies on Google. It's not just free movies. You can get free apps, free music. You can get, of course, I use it for free movies. Some people use it for TV shows, whatever. And let's see. Oh, let me go ahead and get that out the way. And long story short, Google sends you random surveys, and sometimes I get one a day, two a week, whatever. It's just random. And you guys can see here that the survey will ask you about usefulness, information, blah, blah, blah. And it usually goes by based on location, places that you've been, things of that sort. So let's go ahead and see what they got. So this says here, have you used the feed in Google app today? The feed contains news stories about other content about your interests and trending topics. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say select answer. We're going to go yes, because I use it all the time. It's like it's a little bar that's on my phone, and it's just a faster way to search for something instead of going to Chrome and loading up all my old tabs. So I have it where it's actually on my home page. Okay, so next. And then it says, we'll move them out the way. All right, so overall, how satisfied or dissatisfied are you with the feed? I'm very satisfied. And just so you guys know, whatever, it doesn't matter what answer you put, you're going to get paid for it. I think the minimum is like 10 cents, but the most I've ever got paid was like $1. And of course it adds up. So, but either way, I do like the news feed. What, if anything, do you like or dislike most about the feed? Please be specific as possible. Sometimes this is real too. Sometimes it shows me irrelevant information. Um, Sometimes, well, because it honestly does. It shows like irrelevant information sometimes, and then some like it's random things that I don't like, because with for those who don't know, when you actually go to the Google toolbar on your Android phone, it's it shows you topics that it thinks you may be interested in, which is pretty cool. But then a lot of times, I don't know how it comes up with topics, but it should just do a better job, actually showing some topics. So I guess remember more of what I like. Just something like that, okay? And to what extent do you rely on the feed for following news and your interests? A little bit, maybe somewhat. Yeah, because I use the bar, but then there have been some times where like it'll say, hey, this is about Drake, or hey, this is about LeBron James, or hey, this is about business, or hey, this is about credit, whatever. And sometimes I'll get, interested in it and I'll completely forget what I was actually searching for. To what extent do you consider the time you recently spent on the feed a good use of your time? Again, if it's interesting, then I'll like it. So I'm just gonna put slightly, because for the most part, it shows me things I already know for the day. But there are some times where it's like, okay, a different type of story. Okay, and just so you guys know, every time the surveys are usually not this long. It's usually like maybe like one or two questions. So I'll try to give you guys more examples, but it's pretty cool the way you guys see how much I make at the end of this. Which of the following words or phrases would you use to best describe the free? Um, I think it's friendly. I think it respects privacy. Um, mm, I think that's about it just with me. And then of course we'll see how much I got paid. Let's see. Oh, look at that. See, 67 cents. Okay. So you'll see right now I'm at like 300. I'm sorry, 300, right? Be great. $3.65. So if you got, I want to show you guys something real quick. My reward history. Okay. So you see that is like 43 bucks. So this is where I buy my movies and everything. And you can see here, sometimes it's $1, sometimes it's 10 cents. And it's just random. I've been doing this for quite some time. And there's like little random things that pop up every now and then. As you can see, it's not even every day. it's like, but it pops up, but it adds up. And you just see, like, if I never would have spent any of the money, you're talking about $43 just to answer like random crazy surveys. So, but either way, that's pretty much it. This is just an extra income video. And I know some people are like, well, I want to make $100 or whatever. I mean, again, this is just extra income, which, by the way, you can use in the Google Play Store. So that's the only place that you can use it, in the Google Play Store. And it says spend your Play credit. And of course, once you go there, I'll show you guys this. So once you go there, of course, it shows all that. You got movies and TV, which is what I love. And then, of course, you go new releases, all the rest of the stuff. And you can apply, the credit towards whatever you want to see. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. And I will keep you guys posted on more ways to make extra income. Don't worry, of course, a lot more than a few pennies here, a few pennies there, but everyone's different. So, all right. Thank you guys so much. And I will talk with you soon.